Welcome to the Motley Fool's Crunch Time series, where we analyze a single company from their strategy to their opportunities and risk. My prediction, I believe Intel will outperform the market over the next 5 years. First, let's start off with Intel's business strategy, which focuses on 4 key areas. First, their core CPU business for client computing and data centers. This includes developing next-generation processors like the Core Ultra series for PCs and laptops, and Xeon processors for servers and data centers. Second is their push into AI. Intel is developing AI capabilities for their CPUs and producing dedicated AI accelerators like Gaudi series for data centers. Third is their discrete GPU market, with their Arc series targeting both consumer and data center applications. Fourth involves manufacturing their own chips and offering foundry service to other companies. Now let's look at Intel's primary opportunities, which lie in the AI PC market. The CHIPS Act presents another significant opportunity. Intel has already secured billions of dollars benefiting from government support for domestic chip manufacturing. Their foundry business is gaining traction. A notable development is the multi-year, multi-billion-dollar deal with AWS, demonstrating the potential of their manufacturing service. Intel's push into discrete GPUs could open up new revenue streams, especially if they can capture market share in the booming AI accelerator market. But the company comes with tons and tons of risk. The recent departure of CEO Pat Gelsinger introduces leadership uncertainty at a critical time for the company. This transition could potentially disrupt ongoing strategic initiatives. Intel's AI accelerator business, particularly their Gaudi chips, is underperforming expectations, indicating challenges in competing in the rapidly growing AI hardware market. Competition from AMD, especially in data center market, remains a significant threat. Next, you have the company's heavy investment in new fabs and manufacturing process carries significant financial risk. Now, my predictions. I project at least 15% annualized return over the next 5 years for Intel. This prediction, though, is based on the potential success of their manufacturing turnaround and the growing demand for AI-capable processors. The success of Intel 18A is crucial to this prediction. If they can deliver on their promise of regaining process leadership or even becoming competitive, it could drive both their own products and foundry business to new heights. This stock presents high risk and potentially high reward, suitable for investors with a high risk tolerance. A quick recap. To summarize, Intel is pursuing a multi-phase strategy, encompassing advanced manufacturing, AI-enabled processors, and expansions into new markets. Their main opportunities are in AI PCs, foundry service, and government-supported chip manufacturing. Key risks include leadership uncertainty, strong competition, and the high cost of staying at the cutting edge of technology. I expect 15% annual growth until 2029, but with significant volatility. At the Motley Fool, your comments make us all smarter. Please comment with your own research and insight about Intel and tell us what stock you want to see Crunch Time tackle next. Visit fool.com/invest to receive the top 10 best stocks to buy now.